is probably in my future. The question is, do I like it enough to make the purchase? Check out this little surprise he's got here. Look at that. All right, first bite. Everybody knows the rules. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. Today is a special day. Another rotation around the sun for me, and it is a milestone. You can figure out which milestone it is down in true fashion. We got the crew. We're going for an epic ride. I've got the drone with me. You're not going to want to miss this one. Sounds good, Senior. Listen to that. No, it's perfect. A good balance. Senior just got that exhaust. What brand is it?
Sparks.
Sparks. Took him like 3 months to get this exhaust for this bike, but look how cool that looks in there. Super nice. And this today, we're gonna test it out today. This is Stevie's 2024 Harley Davidson CVO ST. You've seen it on the channel before, but he's letting me ride it today. We're headed to Princeton. When we get to Princeton, we're gonna go check it out. At the Glide Rocket. Look at those fog lights. That thing looks freaking awesome. This is Manny's Batmobile. Check it out. We got Hector's awesome looking Street Glide. Look at these lights. He just put these Baja lights on there. That thing looks freaking awesome. Check out this little surprise he's got here. Look at that. This thing sounds amazing. This is Sammy's Kawasaki. Slowest Kawasaki in the universe. I'm kidding, this thing freaking moves. And we got Dave's Road Glide. That's the crew today. Man, look at those freaking super bright lights. Glenn's. And you got Hector's. Man, that looks awesome. It is absolutely beautiful out. It's a nice 50 degrees. And just like I mentioned, when this video posts, it's another turn around the sun for me. I am blessed. I am grateful. And excited to continue to bring you more and more content as the channel continues to grow. It sounds amazing. Really good. It's not too loud, but I think it sounds just right. The crew. Some nice backcountry roads. We're headed to Princeton. We're gonna check out a new breakfast spot. We're gonna bring that to you here. And you know, once we get there, the foliage is almost at peak around this area. I'm gonna launch the drone and just show you how beautiful this thing looks. Check it out, baby. Check it out. Check it out. Woo! Look at that. absolutely loving this Saddleman road sofa with the backrest. Super, super comfortable. I'm continuing to put miles on it, obviously. I'll give you a long-term review here after I've had a chance to put at least 1,000 miles on it. But man, super comfortable. 4 minutes away, we are in the Princeton area. Princeton University is going to be coming up here. Actually, this is still part of the campus, I think. Just the outer campus. We're going to head right into downtown Princeton. Beautiful area. Used to live here many years ago, actually. All this stuff is new. This was never here before. Looks like they just did this bridge here. Where they practice crew. I don't know if you can see it from the camera here. Yeah, you see they're practicing there now. So this spot we're going to is called PJ's Pancake House. I've never been here before, but according to the locals, it's one of the best spots to go to. So let's see. I wonder if they have pancakes in PJ's Pancake House. We shall see. Man, look at those colors. Wow. So this is the place that I was telling you about, but it looks pretty packed this morning.
Like a 2-hour wait?
Yeah. How many of us are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're gonna try to see if we get in here. If not, we're gonna go grab another spot. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. You got Manny. It's got some special caramel. I got the Jersey omelet, which is Taylor ham or pork roll. Pork roll in this neck of the woods. Look at these pancakes. Senior's got a double egg white omelet there. The boys are over there, steak and eggs. Enjoy. Look at this. This omelet is freaking delicious. Look at that, man. All right, first bite. Everybody knows the rules. Same thing applies.
One bite, everybody knows.
Yeah, that's right. But get that caramel in there. Yeah?
Oh my God.
All right, let's go.
My breakfast is $9.99.
$9.99, all right. Mr. Steve on Sandstorm, which only means I'm testing out that 2024 CVO ST. So, PJ's Pancake House, absolutely amazing. Food was awesome. Highly recommended. We're gonna go check out a local road here. Hold on.
I think I left it in first gear.
What's that?
The bike is in first gear.
The bike is in first gear? Okay. This right here is the 2024 Harley Davidson CVO ST. My buddy Steve, he's letting me test it out. This is probably in my future. The question is, do I like it enough to make the purchase? Let's take it for a spin. Man, look at this. Woo. Later, fellas. Where do I turn this on? This has got hill assist, I think. Look at that. Look at that dashboard. Man. So the bike feels awesome. Nice and easy to find neutral. We're gonna make a right turn here. Wow, that feels really good, guys. All right, so this is gonna be quick first impressions. It's my first time ever riding the CVO ST. Again, thanks Steve for letting me try out this beast. The bike feels very well planted, well balanced. I love the way that this looks. Again, this has the 121. This is completely stock still. He hasn't done anything to the bike, which is, again, a great baseline for me to give you my impressions of what I think about the bike. As most of you know, I've got a CVO 117. Man, let me tell you, that feels good. That's peppy. So I've got a CVO 117 with a stage 2. That's the bike that Steve is on now. So, right out of the gate, one of the things I will tell you that is very, very different on this bike than even when I had mine is the suspension feels really, really good. Again, this is stock. So this is on sport mode currently. So yeah, the suspension feels really good. Very good.
I like that display.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So suspension feels great. The power, we'll test it out here real quick. I'll tell you what my thoughts are. Again, I'm not going to compare it to my bike as it's a stage 2, but I'm going to compare it to my stock configuration and tell you what I think about the 121 engine. Man, that feels absolutely awesome. This thing pulls. Wow. And it sounds really good. I'm impressed. Very, very comfortable. I mean, even there, it didn't bottom out. Wow. Okay, I can see what everybody's talking about now, guys. I didn't think it was going to be that much of a difference, but let me tell you, even on third gear, that thing is pulling. And I'm not like hitting it all the way, I'm just touching the throttle. And it picks up. Man, I guess, you know, everybody's right. It is a completely different bike. Ooh, I just heard my sandstorm back there. Of course, he's got this stock. If you put a Chromeworks 2-into-1 on this thing has got to sound absolutely amazing. The bike feels really, really good. The handlebars, perfect. You don't need to do anything to these handlebars. Look, if by now you haven't tested one of these bikes, man, it's just nothing like it. You got to come out and you got to ride it and test it for yourself. And I'm glad my buddy Steve let me test his, because I was on the fence. Feels very nimble. It pulls. Wow. Absolutely impressed. And it pulls even high on the RPMs. Big difference than any of the prior bikes. Man, this thing with a stage 2 and pipes, I just can't imagine it. Wow. Stevie, it's freaking awesome, bro. All right, so look, there you have it. My first impressions, I gotta tell you, dramatically different than what my bike feels compared to stock, even compared to now. Two things that I'm most impressed with. One is the suspension stock, and then two is how much this thing pulls throughout the entire RPM. I knew it was more peppy, as I've heard a lot about it, but I didn't realize that the power curve is all the way through, and hopefully you can see it there in the video. And again, I'm not giving it all the way, but just enough, man, and it feels amazing. And as you saw there, it had hill assist. Wow, just look at this thing. And it looks freaking absolutely awesome. So let me know, have you tested this bike? Have you compared it to the 117 or even the new ones? Let me know down in the comments below what you think. I absolutely loved it. Game changing as far as how the bike feels. No question about it. This is in my future. right. Hopefully you enjoyed that awesome drone footage. These guys are going to go pick up a package somewhere. I don't know what the hell they're doing. I'm not asking any questions, but I'm going that way. We're going to continue to ride. Awesome day. Thanks so much for the crew coming out. Obviously, it's my birthday celebration. It is a milestone. You can figure out which milestone it is. But this is what it's all about. Not everybody was able to make it out, obviously. But, man, appreciate these guys. They treated us to an awesome breakfast. Thank you, Nadal. Thanks, crew. For those of you that couldn't make it, obviously, we miss you. We'll see you on the next one. Absolutely beautiful day. This is the kind of stuff we like to bring you here in the channel. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell notification.